Welcome to Bike Future, your go-to destination for the latest motorcycle reviews, news, and updates. In today's video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Honda CB300F. Honda continues to refine their small displacement lineup, and the CB300F promises to be an exciting option for riders seeking a stylish, efficient, and accessible motorcycle. Let's see what this bike has to offer. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda CB300F presents a modern, aggressive look, combining sporty aesthetics with functional design. The bike's sharp lines, sleek bodywork, and compact frame give it a strong road presence without being too bulky. The minimalist approach to the tail section, along with the angular LED headlight, enhances its bold character. Available in a range of colors, the 2025 CB300F maintains the signature Honda quality and attention to detail, making it both a fun and visually appealing motorcycle for any rider. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CB300F is a 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. While it might not be the most powerful in its class, it delivers a smooth and predictable performance, making it perfect for both beginner and intermediate riders. With an output of around 27 horsepower, the bike is quick off the line and offers enough power to handle daily commutes and spirited rides on winding roads. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, providing a well-rounded balance of power delivery and fuel efficiency. Handling and ride quality. Honda has always excelled in delivering bikes that are both easy to handle and enjoyable to ride, and the CB300F is no exception. Its lightweight construction, low seat height, and well-designed ergonomics make it approachable for riders of all sizes. The suspension setup, featuring telescopic forks up front and a monoshock rear, ensures a smooth ride over a variety of surfaces. Whether you're navigating city traffic or taking a weekend ride on country roads, the CB300F offers responsive handling and a comfortable riding experience. Technology and features. The 2025 Honda CB300F comes equipped with several modern features that enhance both safety and convenience. The fully digital instrument cluster provides essential information like speed, fuel level, and gear position, while the inclusion of LED lighting improves visibility and efficiency. Additionally, the bike comes with a 296mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear disc brake, offering confident stopping power in different riding conditions. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Honda CB300F strikes an excellent balance between style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're a new rider looking for a bike to learn on or an experienced rider in need of a lightweight, fun commuter, the CB300F offers a great package. With its modern design, efficient engine, and solid performance, it's a worthy addition to Honda's lineup. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Honda CB300F. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.